Take a ride in the 2017 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.